It's interesting to see also some of the damage. This is a follow-up. People said I should really open the screw here and clean it properly. I'm going to use this hexagon, and it's going to be T10. Voila. You can see this is pretty dirty, as well as have...
Here comes the vinegar.
Okay, it's been a few minutes. This is actually really bad. Like, might need to scrub it with something stronger than just this very small brush. Gonna use this. I've done some more cleaning off camera. Most of it is clean, like this area here is clean, this is not. Those are really hard to get rid of. And it's interesting to see also some of the damage to the electrode, those like small dips. Overall, I think good enough to bring it back to use. It was working well before, but I'm sure this will improve performance.
This is a good time to like and subscribe.
Done.